Hi, my name is Michelle Pitts and I work at Granger Waste Services. At Granger, what we do is we go around and pick up all the garbage at your house or at your school or at businesses, and we take it to the landfill in Lansing. Just like you have at school, Granger has a mascot. I'd like to introduce you to ours. His name is Captain Kirby. Captain Kirby is on all of our trucks. So if you see a brown trash truck driving around town, make sure you look for Kirby. He's on every truck. Today, Captain Kirby and I would like to read you a story about Trash Truck. In a small town lived a big truck named Trash Truck. And a little boy named Hank. Hank and Trash Truck looked different, but they were actually quite alike. They both loved finding lost treasures and had a taste for adventure. They didn't mind getting a little messy, and both enjoyed cleanup time. They were even alike what they disliked, like accidents. It's not always easy being a little kid in a big world or a big truck in a small town. But then one day, something amazing happened. Have you ever waved at the garbage trucks that go by? If you see that brown garbage truck, make sure to wave and say hi. They found someone just like them, and together, see them together there? Their world became just the right size. See you on the road.